Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Heather, and today we'll be diving into some fantastic living room shelving ideas. Get ready to explore stylish and functional designs that can transform your space. Let's jump right in. This living room is stunning with its high ceilings and elegant design. The large windows bring in so much natural light, making the space feel bright and airy. I love the symmetrical arrangement with the fireplace as the focal point, flanked by built-in cabinets and floating shelves. The mix of neutral tones with pops of color from the throw pillows creates a balanced and sophisticated look. The wooden beams add a touch of rustic charm, complementing the modern furniture perfectly. The oversized mirror above the fireplace adds a touch of luxury and helps reflect light throughout the room. This is a space where I can imagine hosting gatherings or simply enjoying a quiet evening by the fire. This living room has a striking combination of modern and rustic elements. I love the exposed wooden beams, which add a warm, natural touch to the contemporary space. The large windows bring in plenty of light, highlighting the clean lines and open feel. The white fireplace with built-in shelving is both elegant and practical, offering space for decor and storage. The mix of textures, like the marble coffee table and woven chairs, adds depth and interest. To enhance this space further, I might incorporate a few more vibrant colors in the artwork, or throw pillows to make it pop even more. Overall, it's a fantastic blend of style and functionality, making it a cozy and inviting living area. I love the bright and airy feel of this living room. The large sliding doors bring in natural light, beautifully pairing with the white walls and ceiling. The built-in shelving unit is a great focal point, offering both display and storage options. The mix of decorative items adds a personal touch. The dark sectional sofa provides a nice contrast, and the colorful throw pillows add a playful element. The light wood coffee table and area rug tie everything together perfectly. If I were to make any changes, I might add a few more vibrant accents or a statement piece of art to enhance the room's character. Overall, it's a wonderfully inviting and functional space. This living room exudes warmth and elegance. I love the towering brick fireplace, which adds a stunning, rustic focal point to the room. The built-in bookshelves flanking the fireplace offer ample storage and display space, making the area feel cozy and lived in. The high ceilings and large windows let in plenty of natural light, enhancing the spacious feel. The neutral color palette with earthy tones creates a serene and inviting atmosphere. The chandelier adds a touch of sophistication and ties in beautifully with the rustic elements. If I were to make any changes, I might incorporate some colorful accents or unique art pieces to inject more personality. Overall, this space is a perfect blend of comfort and style, ideal for relaxation and entertaining. This living room is a delightful mix of modern and rustic elements. I love the contrast between the dark leather sofa and the light, airy feel of the rest of the room. The built-in shelving around the fireplace provides great storage and display options, and the black backing adds depth and makes the items pop. The patterned rug adds a touch of whimsy and ties the space together, while the woven light fixtures bring in a natural, textured element. The gallery wall of botanical prints is a lovely touch, adding an organic feel. If I were to change anything, I might add a few more colorful accents to brighten the space. Overall, it's a charming and functional living area that balances style and comfort beautifully. This living room is a perfect blend of cozy and elegant. I love the coffered ceiling, which adds architectural interest and a touch of sophistication. The built-in shelving and gallery wall around the fireplace create a focal point that is both functional and aesthetically pleasing. The white sofa and light-colored furniture make the room feel bright and inviting, while the blue accents add a refreshing pop of color. The natural light filtering through the woven blinds complements the warm wooden floors, enhancing the overall warmth of the space. The checkered curtains add a charming, rustic vibe. If I were to make any changes, I might add a few more contemporary pieces to balance the traditional elements. Overall, this space is wonderfully inviting and beautifully styled. I am absolutely charmed by this cozy living room setup. The white sofa looks incredibly inviting, especially with the mix of textured and patterned throw pillows. The wooden coffee table adds a rustic touch, and I love the way it's styled with a decorative tray and books underneath. The gallery wall above the sofa gives the space a personal and artistic flair, while the hanging plants bring a bit of nature indoors. The soft lighting from the matching table, lamps on either side of the sofa creates a warm and welcoming atmosphere. This room feels like the perfect spot to curl up with a good book or enjoy a cup of tea. When I look at this living room, I see a cozy and inviting space that skillfully blends modern and natural elements. The white TV stand and round coffee table add a clean, minimalist feel, while the lush green plants bring in a refreshing touch of nature. I love the way the neutral-toned rug and sofa create a warm, cohesive look. The wall art and hanging shelf above the TV add personality without overwhelming the room. If I were to change anything, I'd consider adding a few more textured or patterned pillows to the sofa to enhance the cozy feel and introduce some additional visual interest. I love the cozy and sophisticated vibe of this living room. The neutral tones with beige and white create a serene atmosphere. The plush sofa looks incredibly comfortable, and the mix of patterned and plain pillows adds a touch of personality. The wall-mounted shelves provide ample storage and display space without taking up floor area, making the room feel larger. The coffee table is both stylish and functional, offering storage and surface space. The knitted poof is a charming addition, perfect for extra seating or as a footrest. The indoor plants and minimalist decor on the shelves add life and character. I might add a colorful throw blanket or a statement rug to introduce some warmth and visual interest. I adore the bright and airy feel of this living room. The white sofa and light decor make the space feel open and inviting. The large window lets in plenty of natural light, enhancing the room's freshness. The plants scattered throughout add a touch of nature and life, creating a cozy atmosphere. The geometric side table is a stylish choice, providing both function and a modern aesthetic. The stone accent wall adds texture and contrast, complementing the soft tones. The area rug ties the seating area together, making it feel warm and cohesive. I might add a pop of color with a few vibrant throw pillows or a colorful piece of art on the wall to break up the monochrome scheme. I appreciate the modern, minimalist feel of this living room. The gray sectional sofa is both stylish and functional, providing ample seating and a cozy lounging spot. The neutral tones keep the space calm and uncluttered, while the textured rug adds warmth and ties the room together. The wall art is a great focal point, adding personality without overwhelming the space. The black metal shelving unit is a sleek storage solution, displaying decorative items and books neatly. The small side table is convenient for placing drinks or snacks. I might introduce a splash of color with a bright throw or cushion to add some vibrancy. Additionally, incorporating a larger plant could bring more life and freshness into the room. I absolutely love this cozy living room. The neutral color palette of whites and beiges creates a serene and inviting atmosphere. The use of natural textures like the wicker pendant light and wooden chair adds warmth and character to the space. I particularly appreciate the thoughtful arrangement of decorative items on the floating shelves and the cabinet, which keeps the room looking stylish yet uncluttered. The large window with sheer curtains allows plenty of natural light to flood in, enhancing the airy feel of the room. This is definitely a space where I would enjoy relaxing and spending time with family. I am really drawn to the vibrant and cozy vibe of this living room. The pop of orange from the accent chair immediately grabs my attention and adds a lively touch to the space. I love how the room balances modern elements like the chic chandelier and abstract wall art with natural touches such as the woven rug and abundance of plants. The open shelving unit is a great way to display books and greenery, giving the room a fresh and organized feel. The glass coffee table with its gold frame adds a touch of elegance without making the space feel cluttered. Overall, this is a stylish and inviting room that I would enjoy spending time in. This living room exudes a calm and serene atmosphere that I find incredibly appealing. The soft gray and white color palette creates a soothing environment, perfect for relaxation. I love the built-in shelving, which is both practical and stylish, allowing for an elegant display of decorative items. The simple yet sophisticated mantel adds a rustic charm to the space without overpowering it. The cozy seating area, complete with plush ottomans and soft throws, invites me to sit down and unwind. The natural light filtering in adds to the airy feel of the room, making it a perfect retreat for any time of the day. This is definitely a space where I can see myself enjoying peaceful moments. This living room has such a warm and inviting feel. I love the combination of the gray sofa and the beige armchair, which creates a cozy seating area. The wooden coffee table adds a touch of rustic charm, and the array of potted plants brings in a refreshing natural element. The leather poof is a great accent piece, adding texture and a casual vibe. I appreciate the use of wall art and the unique stained glass design on the door, which adds character to the space. The floating shelf with books and plants above the door is a clever use of space. Overall, this room feels both stylish and comfortable, perfect for relaxing or entertaining. I hope you enjoyed exploring these beautiful living rooms with me. Each space offers unique design ideas, especially the creative shelving solutions that add both functionality and style. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more interior design tips and inspiration. Thanks for watching.